What's up, guys? So in this video I wanted to share with you the resume that got me hired in the graphic design job at a marketing agency as a student intern while I was studying full-time as an international student at Humber College in Toronto, Canada. At first, I want to share a story with you that I believe will motivate every and each one of you. In the summer 2019, I moved to Canada to just continue my studies in Humber, but after a few months, I decided that I need money and I need to support myself financially. So I decided to just work on my creative skills more, and at that time I was working at a catering service. So I took that job and it was super tough and physically demanding, but it was like a good opportunity for me to interact with other people and like improve my communication skills. I also freelanced at a marketing agency at that time to just practice Photoshop, Adobe softwares. However, after a few months, I realized that I need to earn more in order to pay for my college tuition fees for the third and fourth semester. So the salary from my agency job was not enough. That's when I decided to create this resume that I wanted to show you that would show my skill set and also grab the attention of the hiring managers. So let me show you. So this is the resume that I made it from Adobe Illustrator, and I got inspired by Pinterest. Okay, here, resume templates. So as you can see from Pinterest, you can get so many inspirations for your resume design, because you have to pay attention to the design of the resume as well. For example, as you can see, I got inspired by this. It's in two major parts. Let me grab my resume back. So it's in two parts and you can just change it by yourself as the way you want it. So it has two major parts. The first part is like about my information, just contact information, and then here is about me. I like short description about myself and what I'm like, what's my title. I have an in-depth experience working with Adobe, because as a graphic designer you need to know how to work with Adobe softwares, of course, such as Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign. And when it comes to photography, designing magazine layouts, and I have all of my skills here and my goal. And also here is the skills that I'm having. Like I just wanted to make it visually appealing, and I have the basic understanding the design, graphic design principles. Yeah, and then the languages, and at the top I have my education here, media communications at Humber, and then my BA in graphic design, and the location and the like dates from the start to finish. And then my job experience here is like a customer service at the catering service that I told you. If your job experience is unrelated to design, as you can see, I have customer service here, and I still got the internship for myself. And then here I have like graphic designer from back home, and here is my art exhibitions. It's like in painting exhibition and illustration exhibition, and also photography. So it's not really related to graphic design, but it's related to visual arts and design. So I just put it there, so you just have the whole idea of how your resume should look. So for me as a senior designer right now, this resume might look a little bit cluttered and busy, but from hiring manager's point, and considering that they're expecting to hire students, it's like looking amazing. And also put 80% of your resume into your education and job experience, and the 20% of the rest just for your for your personal information. And also just try to keep it in one page, because so that it's like easier to read and more simple and more cleaner. I hope that you got an idea of what are the expectations from you as a student intern in terms of getting a graphic design internship job in Toronto, Canada. And let me know in the comments if you're working on your resume, and share them with me on Instagram or DM me so that I can review and give you feedback. I also suggest you to see this video to see the UX design portfolio that got me hired into a startup in Toronto, Canada after my internship. Thanks so much, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.